For less than the price of a budget hotel in New York, I got this in Bangkok. From the outside, it looks normal. But inside, I felt like I walked into a millionaire's private palace. The craziest part, in the US, this would cost at least $300 a night. But just wait till you hear how much I actually paid. Welcome. Come in. So as you walk in, on your left straight away, we've got the kitchen. It's a huge kitchen. You don't normally see a full-size kitchen like this in Bangkok, so it's pretty cool to have. You've got full-size fridge. It is Samsung fridge with top freezer, all the glass plastic interior, which is cool. There's also a washing machine here. So Samsung washing machine. You've also got full stovetop and oven, which normally you don't see ovens much at all. It's all Samsung, including the exhaust. And here we've got plates, bowls, and cups, glasses up here. In the drawers, you've got the spoons, forks, knives, and chopsticks. Then we've got your food preparation and oven mitts, chopping board, and then frying pans and saucepans. There's the ice bucket as well, so if you're entertaining, got the bucket for ice. And here we have jug and toaster, and then microwave and coffee and tea making. So full-size kitchen, everything you need and want. Prepare your food. You've got everything you need to, even wash your clothes. Over here, we've got dining table, couch, TV, and office space over there with a desk and chair, and then a small little balcony as well. After washing your clothes, you've got a place to hang. Now let's check out the bedroom. So as you can see, this bed is huge. It's like king-size bed, but it's literally 2 double beds put together. You've got another desk space to get some work done. A TV in the bedroom as well. Time for the bed test. Oh. It's a bit hard. It's not as soft as the place I stayed in Hanoi, but it's still comfortable. Let's check out the pillow. Yeah, it's quite good. I definitely think I'll get a pretty decent night's sleep here. And then in here we have the wardrobe. They do provide robes, coat hanger, slippers, and there's even a basket there. And here you've got ironing board and have an iron as well. And then we got direct access from the bedroom right into the bathroom. So you got your basin and mirror, toilet, and here we have the shower. So it's a full-size shower, and they even provide your shampoo and body wash. And then you've got your bathtub right here as well. And then you've got your living room access straight through here. So as you can see, lots of space. It's a really good size area. Everything that you'd want. It's really good to have a separate bedroom to a lounge room living area as well. A lot of studio apartments in Bangkok, so having a 1-bedroom space is definitely a plus. And we're so close to shopping centres in here. I'll show you. So as you can see, there's Paradise Place and Paradise Park. And then there's Siacom Square as well across the road, and a train station just in front of the building. And 7-Eleven is just next door as well. So everything that you want and need is right here. As you can see, the place has everything. The location is really good as well. Plus, the place has breakfast included, so we'll be checking that out in the morning. There's a pool and a gym, so you have to check out that. And make sure you stick around to the end, and I'll share with you the price. So here we are at the pool. It's pretty good. So being that it is a hotel and not a condo, the pool is looked after quite well. They do provide towels here, and you've even got a phone for room service. So if you want to order any drinks, any food by the pool, you can do that as well, which is a nice touch. It's that kind of thing that you come to experience at 5-star hotels, being able to get your food and drinks by the pool, which is always a good thing, especially with the Thai heat. So it's just on the 5th floor. It's not like that resort style where it's ground floor, or that condo experience where you normally see the rooftop pools here in Bangkok. So it's a bit different to that, but it's a good sized pool. It's not huge. There's only 4 rooms on each floor, so it's probably a decent sized pool. I rarely see people down here at the pool as well. So it's not too bad. Here we have the gym. It's a pretty decent sized gym actually. We've got your walker, running machine, stepper, and 2 different style of bike machines. You've got dumbbells just here as well. And then over on this side, you've got benches, bench machines, you've got your pull downs, leg extensions. And here we've got the shoulder press and a chest press. So pretty decent for a gym. Just about everything you could want is here, which is pretty good. And there's even a sauna in here as well. So you just talk to reception and they'll get the sauna on for you. This is good if you've got a steam room. Good way to kill a hangover too, if you've been out partying the night before. And then back to the pool. As you can see, so close to the train station. You've got Siacom Square just there, and Paradise Place and Paradise Park. So 2 other shopping centres right here as well. Plus, just behind Siacom Square, that shopping centre right there, is the train night market. And a new Jod Fairs is opening up just here as well. So you've got your street food markets, you've got shopping centres, train station. So it makes it a pretty good location to get around the city, get everything that you need. Shopping centres during the day for air conditioning and to get stuff done. So yeah, it's just a great location. Just heading downstairs to grab some breakfast. As you can see, they've got fruit salad, cereal, milk, yogurt. They've got fresh bread, pastries and croissants. They also do waffles. They have an egg and noodle station. They have congee as well. And then you've got your fried and cooked meat and vegetables. They have a bunch of fresh fruit and salad you can have as well. You get to order whatever coffee you want. They have cappuccinos, lattes, and espressos. So the place is called Lumen Bangkok Srinakarin, and it's 2,300 baht per night to stay here. So that's pretty good with the breakfast included. The size of the place is pretty amazing, and the location is hard to beat as well. So all up, I think it's great value for money. Is it the most luxurious place in Bangkok? Absolutely not, but it's going to be hard to beat for value for money for just 2,300 baht per night. If you'd like to check out another luxury hotel experience, I did stay in a hotel covered in 24 karat gold. It should pop up on the screen right here, so just click to go watch it. Otherwise, have an awesome day.